Algebraic expression. If a minus b equals to 4 and ab equals to 60, what is the value of a plus b? Question 3. Look, a plus b has no rule, but we have to find out the value. But here is given a minus b equals to 4 and ab equals to 60. So this case, what can we do? This a plus b, we can write root a plus b whole square. How? A, we can write root a square. Now we know a law of identities, which is a plus b whole square. It means a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Now we can put this value. It means a minus b equals to 4. So here is 4 square plus 4 times ab means 60. Now here is a root over. So here is 4 square, it means 16, plus 60 times 4, it means 240, root over. 240 plus 16, it will be 256. Right? Now 256, if we make square root, we will get 16. It means the answer will be plus minus 16. Very simple. So number 3 done. Number 4, almost a similar type math. Number 4, given a plus b equals to 9m, ab equals to 18m square. We have to find out the value of a minus b. Same thing here. A minus b, we can write a minus b whole square, and we can use a root sign. Then this a minus b, we can write a plus b whole square minus 4ab, and also root sign. Now a plus b whole square, it means 9m and then square minus 4 times ab means 18m square, and also root. 9 square, it's 81, and m square minus 18 times 4 is 72, and here is also m square. Now root sign. 81 minus 72, it means 9m square, root. So our answer will be plus minus 3m. 9 is a perfect square, so root 9 means 3, and m square, once you make square root, it will be m. So our answer will be plus minus 3m. So this is very important 2 question which we are trying to solve.